How to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer. In this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about PayPal and how you're going to be wanting to switch your money from your PayPal to your Payoneer account. Now, in short, there is no direct way to do this. Payoneer and PayPal don't have a direct payout cash link that you can use to send money directly, but there is an alternative. So what you can easily do is basically, obviously, to run Payoneer, you have a bank account connected to Payoneer. Okay, now that bank account, just make sure to connect it to PayPal, or you can send it from PayPal to that bank account. And once you have sent it there, what you can do is you can use that bank account to send the money into Payoneer. So that's basically a round off way to send money from PayPal to Payoneer. But, generally there is no direct portal or payment link gateway that they have created. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.